Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I will introduce myself. My mother is Hasna and she is 50 years old. She works as a housewife. She lives in Pulau Indonesia. My mother loves gardening, business gardening. My mother also takes care of a farm oil plantation. She is a widow. We has to want to be able to make the net of her family. She is an Indonesian who come from the Malaysia tribal. She is a special and caring person. I am very grateful to have her as my mother. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.